everyone, it's Tyler here from ActionKPI. Welcome to the Integrated Planning video series, Speed Track Edition. We're going to continue to look at how we automate the monthly rollover process. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how we roll forward monthly management reports and supporting schedules from one month to the next within a matter of seconds. To provide some context, we're currently moving into the May 2020 reporting period, so we need to update all the key management reports. In this example, we're going to focus on two key management reports. First report is the Income Statement Monthly Summary. This provides a full year view of the current forecast. It's a blend of actuals and forecasts as indicated by the A or the green cells. You'll notice that the report is currently based on April, which was the prior reporting period. Second report is the Income Statement Variance Report. This report is currently filtered on the month and year-to-date results for April, which again is the previous reporting period. Now let's go update the reports for the current month, May 2020. So now we're in the administration page where we can change the month and current forecast. It's worth mentioning that this activity is actually locked down and controlled by finance. It is usually limited to a couple key system administrators. All right, let's go select the current month. And now let's click on Update Current Month Reports. Now that we've done the update, let's go back to our two key management reports. All right, let's refresh the report. And now we'll notice that May 2020 is now set to green and is based on actuals. Again, this is also an indication that the cells in the report are locked down and cannot be changed. All right, let's go to the Income Statement Variance Report now. Let's click Refresh Report. And now we can notice that the report is now set to May. This is now the default for anyone who opens the report. If you want to go back to the previous month, you simply click on the month filter and then refresh the report. To summarize, within the click of a button, we were able to roll forward each management report from April to May, freeing up time in the month-end process to focus on what really matters, analyzing results and taking action. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe to our newsletter and check out the Modern Finance Professional Forum in the link below, as we have lots more videos, events, and content coming your way.